Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about the seasons in Indonesia, including the use of there are or there is. So it is related to the use of simple present tense. And then we are also using the newest system of teaching to improve your English, especially speaking skill. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and try to memorize. And then try to repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Then you should be able to reproduce conversation based on the story. Well, after the story, I am also going to ask you some questions. So you should memorize. Well, please listen to me carefully and try to memorize and repeat. Are you ready? Well, there are two seasons in Indonesia. There are two seasons in Indonesia. They are dry season and rainy season or wet season. They are dry season and rainy season or wet season. In dry season, it seldom rains. In dry season, it seldom rains and the weather is hot. In wet season or rainy season, there is a lot of rain. And the weather is cool. Alright, now do you still remember the story? Alright, now I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Are there four seasons in Indonesia? Are there four seasons in Indonesia? Well, the next question. How many seasons are there in Indonesia? How many seasons are there in Indonesia? What seasons are there in Indonesia? What seasons are there in Indonesia? What is the weather like in dry season? What is the weather like in dry season? Is the weather hot or cool in dry season? Well, the next question. How is the weather in wet season or rainy season? Is the weather hot or cool in dry season? Okay, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.